Okay, so testing the latch lock. This is the essentially the last step in installation here, but certainly the most important. You need to test it two different ways. First, we're going to test it from inside of the front door. This test should be just a quick little manual check to make sure the bolt descends back into the door from the unlocked position, as you should have installed it with the bolt already extended. And then if it descends back into the door, just go ahead and extend it back out of the door into the lock position to test it from the front. So all you need to do is turn the bolt, bolt extended into the door, turn it back, you're good to go. Okay, so the final step in your latch lock installation here is to test the lock from the front of the door to make sure that it is operating properly. This is a very important step, as mentioned in the job tasks, where if you have potentially taken out the incorrect handed screw inside and then you lock the door, then you could run into the issue of the lock requiring to be drilled out. We cannot unlock this door if you have installed the incorrect screw inside and then have locked the door back. So we definitely need to make sure we test this properly before we shut the door and lock it. So to do that, you will need your phone, and if you have an iPhone, you will be able to use the Latch Manager app, as you have already likely used it in your job. So pull the Latch Manager app up on your phone, and you will go into the settings for the lock that you have just installed, and at the very top of those settings you will see the unlock feature. So all you need to do is have your phone within Bluetooth reach of the door and hit that unlock feature. The lights will show up in the middle. That will allow you to turn the bolt. You must manually turn the bolt after it's clicked. If you've done that and the bolt descends into the door, you have installed that properly. After that, to test the lock mechanism, just turn it manually back. You do not need to use the app or anything to turn that back. Once you've locked it back, you should not be able to lock or unlock the door from the front anymore. If you are able to unlock this without using the app or a door code or anything to unlock it, that means you've likely installed it wrong. And there's a bar that goes through the middle of the door connecting the front of the lock to the back. Chances are you installed it with that bar horizontal instead of vertical. So you'll need to take take the lock back apart and then reinstall it with that bar in the middle there, vertical instead of horizontal. So we'll test this one more time and make sure we're good. So hit that unlock button again. Okay, successfully unlocked. Turn the bolt manually. We're good. Lock it back. If you are using an Android phone, you need to work with the access team to get access to this door with the regular Latch app. In that case, you'll test it similarly. You will just open your Latch app, hold your phone up to the door like so. You will see this feature. It will turn blue, unlocked green. Manually turn the bolt to check it, manually turn it back. And that's pretty much all you need to do. You're also welcome to, if you have used the regular Latch app, there will be a door code in there. You can also test it with the code to make sure that works. So that's the main key though. If you cannot manually unlock the door after you've unlocked it, that means it is not installed correctly. Okay, so please, if you have any questions, reach out to whoever you're working with on intercom, but just make sure to do this testing with the door open. That way you do not lock yourself out. Thank you so much.